Hi friend, I am Sudham Mali. Today I am going to teach you paper swan. So you need old chart paper. Everyone have chart paper at home. You can use for making this paper swan. I am going to explain step by steps. You can see. After seeing this video, everyone can make at home. It's very easy. For you have to take 5 by 8 centimeter rectangle shapes for 1 unit. See here, you have to cut in this way, fold in half. See, fold in half as shown in this video. Again you have to fold half, unfold it. Now from middle line this for cross fold. Again repeat same, fold it, place properly. Now turn it on this side. Take a scissor and cross. You have to cut cross both sides. Now fold downward. See, you have fold upward this. Now you have to attach between this both point. Open it swash, see, and you have to attach between. Attach, see, in this way and place properly and fold it. See, as shown, you have to fold it. In this way you have to make units. You will need near about 100 units. You will need. Now in this way we have to make units. Make one by one, and like this you have to make near about 100 units. We have to make by old chart paper. Now see, our units are ready. Now we are going to start. See here, you have to take this units like, see, you can see here, this you have to attach to. See, you can see there are holes are there. In between we have to attach. Again take one more. One by one you have to attach. Take one by one and attach. In this way you have to attach one by one. You have to count 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. We are going to add one more 2. For base you are going to use 12 units downsides. Okay, again this one. Now this last we are going to attach. See here, this last point we are going to join the starting one, attach this one. We have to attach now this black unit. See here, see we have attached it. It will make a circle. See, okay, got it. Your this base are ready now. Next third round is black one first, white, yellow second, now third. Now we are using pink shape. See here, you have to take, see there are 2 units. You have to attach. See properly how I am using from another one and this unit once. You have to attach one by one. See, friend, we have attached one by one. In this way you have to complete again third circle round is. Attach one more last this. Now you have to place here. See, I have shown. See, in this way you have to place, attach properly. See, base. Now again take units and attach it. To understand, for I'm using different units. See here, now for round I'm using here yellow, white charts units. You can see here. In this way you have to use again for round. In this way you have to complete. See here, we have completed this fourth round also, attached properly. Now place as shown in this video. See here, now attach here 1 2 3 4. In 4 units now we are going to attach. See, second, attach now. We have attached 4. Now we are going to attach 3 now here. Now 2. Attach one more. Now this. Now 2. then last one. Now it is your tail is ready now. Back side. Now again we are going to attach 4 now. See here. Here also you have to do same. First we have to attach 4, then 3, then 2, then last one. See, we have attached now this last 2, then we are going to attach now last one. See, now we have to make attach in this way. See here, attach one by one. Now we are making here neck. For neck we have to attach in this way. One by one attach. See, it's a neck. Then you have to attach we have fixed it now. See, your swan is ready now. See, it's very easy, everyone can make at home. See everyone, your swan is ready. It's looking beautiful. You can use white paper, red color, whatever you have, chart paper you can use for making this beautiful swan. After complete, you will this swan send snap